Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about this product. The product name is like Lercea GLP-1 Slimming and Health Ultra Concentrated Liquid Pulse Capsules. Okay, so you should buy this product or not, and what are the major problems of this product. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this is not a unique product, and you can see the proofs. This is the same product available on different website with different name, and you can see over here this product is also available with different website with different name, and you can also see the same product with different website with different name, and you can also see the same product with different website with different name. So the conclusion is like, you can say this is looking like a affiliate marketing product, or you can say like a drop shipping product. And you can see the benefits of this product is like weight management, lowering blood sugar related issues, and reducing your blood lipids, and decrease your cholesterol, protect your liver and all. There are lots of benefits they are providing, but the main ingredient of this capsule is like, you can say, moringa. And moringa capsules you can easily get on amazon.com at very low cost. But if we talk about this product is totally looking like a drop shipping product, and when you purchase product there is no guarantee you will get benefits or not. And if we talk about like other issues, that is like clinical trials, there is no such type of information available on internet by which you can identify this product is clinical trial and tested, and tested by, you can select doctors, verified doctors, and this product is safe for your health. So the conclusion is, if you really want to try, then you can go on, you can say like Walmart or any official store. Don't purchase this product on any unofficial stores, and when you purchase these kind of product on unofficial stores, there is no guarantee you will get your product or not. And if you get the product, there is no guarantee like you will get benefits. So these are the common issues. Now you can make your own decision. As you know, dropshipping product does not provide any kind of benefits, so that's why I'm telling you you should not purchase. Okay, rest you can make your own decision. If you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.